When you're working hard in cold conditions, the women's R1 Air Jacket will help you keep your cadence. The lofty hollow core yarns trap warmth, wick moisture, and dry fast if you work up a sweat, while the highly breathable zigzag knit pattern increases airflow to vent excess heat as you get moving. The off-shoulder seams reduce chafing under pack straps. The full zip design makes for easy on-off while on the move in shifting conditions, with a zipper garage at the chin for comfort when you're fully zipped. The zippered chest pocket is perfect for a phone or snacks, and the minimal zippers on the two front pockets reduce bulk. A quick-drying woven binding at the back hem and cuffs prevents snagging and keeps everything locked in place. For breathable comfort that traps the warmth you need and vents the heat you don't, the women's R1 Air Jacket is a must-have in your cold weather kit.